Good afternoon, everybody. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to this very auspicious occasion. My name is Robert Park. I am the director of our new Advanced Manufacturing Sciences Institute. So the Institute will be making its home in our magnificent new building. And we'll be joined in that home by several other departments. And I think it's just a wonderful opportunity for extensive multidisciplinary collaboration.
This was about the nation needed to create a workforce that was capable of building the kinds of vehicles and technology with modern manufacturing techniques. And so I came back and brought that idea to our university and to our faculty, who jumped right in. And they worked with our industry leaders from Lockheed Martin, from CAMA, from Jeppesen, from the Colorado Space Coalition, and from many others throughout the state to develop a first-of-its-kind curriculum that will train the next generation of leaders in these essential industries. Let me give you an example. Ruby Solis, right here, who's an intern at Lockheed, who's about to graduate in MSU Denver, is an example of the kinds of employees we're going to be putting out in the industry.
So I design satellites. I do the designs of the boards. They're PCB boards, they're circuit boards. It's definitely been a really great opportunity to be able to do hands-on learning with labs at school and then apply it to my job.
And today,